Welcome back to the channel, explorers and motorhome enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and head-turning motorhomes of 2026, the Nissan NV350 Motorhome. Packed with revolutionary design, next-gen comfort, and an electric twist, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury apartment built for tomorrow's roads. Let's start with that stunning front design. The futuristic NV350 sports a sleek, aerodynamic nose with seamless LED daytime running lights that wrap around like a halo. Its double-decker profile stands out immediately, combining form and function. Massive panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, while bold sculpted lines give it an assertive presence. It's a perfect blend of futuristic minimalism and rugged confidence, ideal for both highways and off-grid adventures. Now, swinging around to the back, the rear design is equally impressive. A large, almost fully glass rear panel offers spectacular views from inside. LED tail lights trace the outline of the rear hatch, creating a modern signature look that's visible even from afar. The smooth matte finish contrasts beautifully with blacked-out windows, adding that touch of mystery. And yes, the robust bumper design and high clearance suggest it's built for more than just urban travel. It's ready for the road less traveled. Stepping inside, the cockpit is where futuristic meets functional. Dual captain's chairs, premium leather upholstery stitched with the Nissan logo, and a minimalist dashboard make it feel like a premium lounge. The large digital display wraps seamlessly into the center console, keeping everything intuitive and touch-controlled. Behind the cockpit, the NV350 transforms into a moving home. The living area is designed like a luxury suite, featuring a plush lounge that converts into extra sleeping space, an elegant dining table, and floor lighting to set the mood. Thoughtful wood paneling and integrated storage keep things clean and spacious, even when packed for long journeys. Towards the rear, you'll find a dedicated bedroom area with a cozy double bed, premium bedding, branded with the Nissan logo, and stylish overhead cabinets. Large side windows ensure natural light by day and stargazing by night, while privacy curtains turn it into a perfect retreat. Completing the interior tour, the kitchen set is beautifully compact yet fully equipped. It features an induction stove, stainless steel sink, microwave, fridge, and plenty of storage for cookware. Under the skin, the 2026 NV350 is rumored to run on a fully electric powertrain, promising silent cruising and impressive range. Expect torque-rich acceleration, perfect for overtaking on highways or tackling inclines in the mountains. Its double-decker platform doesn't sacrifice stability, thanks to an advanced low-mounted battery pack that keeps the center of gravity steady. Given its size, design, and high-tech features, Industry insiders predict a starting price of around $145,000 to $180,000. Not exactly cheap, but for a futuristic all-electric motorhome built like a luxury hotel suite, it might just be worth every penny for those who love the open road. So when can you see this beast in person? Nissan has hinted at a global reveal and limited production rollout by late 2026, with the first models possibly hitting select markets by early 2027. Mark your calendars. The future of road trips is closer than you think.